Okay, guys, welcome back. I'm back with a brand new video, and today I'm showing you this. I just got this in the mail, and I will show it to you. It is a 1970s Princess rotary phone. I didn't get it for much. I'll set it right there and you can listen to the dial. The sound's kind of muffled because I have it on the carpet. But, where'd my cord go? Oh, here. So I'm going to unclip this real quick. And then I'm going to show you the bottom. It's kind of rusted along here. I'm gonna try to do kind of like a restoration process, cause I'm gonna try to just clean that up. So see this? That's the lamp. If you didn't know, I'm gonna get this out real quick. I didn't mean for it to fall. See? It has a screw base lamp, and I use a quarter to get mine out. And you just, I'm gonna get it back in real quick. And then you would just screw it. So yeah. It's really nice. And the cord is pretty grimy, but I could just buy a new cord. They don't cost much. I already need one anyway for one of my phones. Yeah, it's pretty cool, but if you didn't know, you would need a light transformer for this. But you know what the lamp's for? When you pick up the handset, the rotary would get lit up, and the right little thing, if the handset goes on this, it hangs it up, and one of those would light up because it's meant for a bedroom. And if you got a call in the middle of the night, or if you wanted to dial in the middle of the night, the rotary would be lit up so you could see what you would be dialing. And then if you were done with your call, one of those things would be lit up so you could guide the handset back to the phone. So yeah, this is a 702B. It has an internal ringer. The 701 model did not have an internal ringer. You needed to buy an external ringer. Yeah, I just think it's really cool. I'm gonna put this on display. It does have a modern jack, and it does have some of this. I can probably clean that up too. I'm just gonna clean this up. I'm just gonna clean it up anyway, because you never know where it's been. It's old, and yeah, you just really never know where it's been. So and there is no number card in here. There's just some sticker grime that I need to clean. Yeah, there's just sticker grime I need to clean up, so. I just think that's really cool. I think it's cool that I have one, and I got one with an internal ringer. And remember, a screw base lamp. The Model 1, 701 model, had a wedge base lamp, which the 702 model has a screw base lamp, which mine is a 702B model, BM. And it has a screw base lamp that you can easily take out if you need to replace it. From a couple years of use to years of use of using this rotary phone. But yeah, I just think it's really cool. There is my small review, and I just wanted to say bye, talk to you later.